Hey everyone, welcome to Hyperfixation Heaven, your one-stop shop for all of your ADHD hyperfixation needs, hopefully. My name is Quinn, and if you're watching this, then congratulations, you have found my first ever video. I don't know anything about video editing, so that's going to be a learning curve that hopefully isn't that bad. This is my YouTube channel where I'm just going to post all of my little ADHD hyperfixations, and they may change from week to week, or they may be the same thing for a while, and who really knows? Not even me, and that's part of the fun. I do have diagnosed ADHD. It's been diagnosed multiple times throughout my life by multiple doctors, so don't come for me. Anyway, my current hyperfixation is Perler beads. So I haven't made any perler art in a few years. I did watch a couple videos to see kind of how it's being done now that it's been around for a little bit. I'm going to be using the tape method and an easy press, which I have never used those methods before. So this is going to be an experience for everybody. So let's get started. I am going to be making these. This is just a picture of a Perler bead coaster I found on the internet that I thought was really pretty, and I decided that's where I wanted to start. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the time lapse. So this isn't quite the angle that I wanted for this, but I think it's about as good as I'm going to get with the kind of tripod that I have. So let's get started. Okay guys, well there you have it. This is our finished Perler Bead flower coaster. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and I do like the choice to use the gray instead of the darker color like the original one had, and I did make a few other small little color changes. I probably will not post any more Perler Bead content until I'm able to find a way to suspend the camera directly above it so you can actually see more of what I'm doing and less of like the top of my head. But I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more craft content or furniture repair content or even video game content, just hang around because this is Hyperfixation Heaven and we have a place for everything.